I am Soham Rasal. I had a treatment of braces with Juhi Joshi ma'am, and I just wanted to share my experience with all of you. It has been a phenomenal experience. It has been almost a journey of 1.5 to 2 years, and now finally as I end this journey, thankfully I end this journey, I just wanted to say that it has been a very seamless experience, especially with the trajectory of my teeth which I've seen almost 2 years ago, and the transition which has been today. It has been extremely efficient and smooth. Just one more thing which I loved extremely about ma'am was the regular updates that she took, and even when it was not just checkups, it was regular updates taking even from the patient as well. So I loved that, and I think this journey wouldn't have been possible without ma'am. So I just wanted to thank her and the entire team. Thank you so much.